Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen blue box. We will begin by exploring the fundamental concepts behind oxygen production. Next, we will identify all the necessary components you will need for this exciting project. Then, I will guide you through the straightforward assembly process, ensuring clarity at every stage. Finally, we will cover essential safety measures and provide valuable tips for successful operation. To start building your oxygen blue box, you will need a few key items. First, grab a clear plastic container, ideally holding about 1 liter, which will serve as your reaction chamber. Next, you will need a bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide, commonly found in drugstores. Don't forget a packet of active dry yeast, typically 7 grams, which acts as our catalyst. Lastly, have some warm water and a measuring spoon ready. Now, let's assemble your oxygen blue box. First, carefully pour approximately 200 milliliters of the 3% hydrogen peroxide into your clear plastic container. In a separate small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast with 3 tablespoons of warm water, stirring until it forms a paste. Gently add this yeast mixture to the hydrogen peroxide in the container. You will quickly notice a bubbling reaction, indicating oxygen gas production. Safety is paramount when conducting any experiment. Always ensure you are in a well-ventilated space to allow any generated gas to dissipate safely. It is crucial to wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from any potential splashes. Remember, the oxygen produced here is for demonstration purposes only and should not be inhaled or used for medical applications. After your experiment, safely dispose of the solution according to local guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.